listen very carefully, and after listening everything, that time if you have got any doubt, you can ask me. I am sure there won't be any doubt. Okay? Yeah. So first of all, the square should be empty. If you want to cancel this side, or both the squares should be empty. If you want to cancel this side, all three squares should be empty. This is rule number 1. Rule number 2 is your king should not have been moved early in the game. Very, very important rule. For example, while during the game, this king might have moved over here or here, and again it has come back. Now it is in the original position. But no, you lose your right for castling in that game as you moved your king. Once you move, your right goes. Your king should not be moved at all. This is rule number 2. Rule number 3 is similarly like king, the rook with which you want to castle, that rook also should not have been moved earlier in the game. Here also something, this came over here and again came over here. You cannot castle with this, but you can castle with this. This rook has not moved, then you can castle with this. But with this rook, your right is not there. You lose that right. This is rule number 3. Rule number 4. Your king should not be under attack anytime. Here, if there is a check, now you can see, now you know what is check. This is a check. So you will feel that, my king is in trouble. Now I will do the castling. No, it is not allowed. When your king is under check, you cannot castle. What you have to do is that first stop the check. Next move, when you get the chance, you can do the castling. Okay. Next rule. Now this rule is very important. Here, not only king should not be under attack, but the traveling squares. King is traveling, king is traveling. So these squares also should not be under attack. For example, this is the position. This is the position. Here, this bishop is attacking this square. That means if king castles this side, then directly he will come under attack. Check. You cannot do that. Or even if this is the position. Here king is not landing here, but at least he is going through. So the root also should not be under enemy control. आप इमेजिन करो कि आपको एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर जाना है और वहां बीच में एनिमी इज फायरिंग मशीन गन, धड़ 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 बुलेट चल रही है, आप जाएंगे तो आपको बुलेट लगेगी. It is like that only. So here he is already, this bishop is already firing his gun. So you cannot dare to go over there. Hey, somebody's microphone is. Yeah. Okay. So this is 5th rule, right? Now there are rules of castling also. How you do it exactly? Execution of castling. Now, while doing the castling, you have to do it with only one hand. You cannot use both the hands. When you play physically on the board, you cannot use those hands, 2 hands. If you are using right hand, you have to use only one hand. And last rule is you have to pick up your king first, keep it 2 places. Then with the same hand, you pick up your rook and keep it the other side. And the castling is complete. If you touch your rook first, that means you may want to move it over here or here in this particular position. You may want to put it over here also. You cannot argue to your opponent that you want to castle. You can't put it over here and then bring king over here. It is not at all allowed. Compulsorily, you have to bring your king first 2 places, and then with the same hand you bring your rook over here. It is termed as only one move, not 2 moves, only one move. So this is the process of the castling. Now any doubt? Castling. First rule is your king should not be moved. Second rule is rook should not be moved earlier in the game. Then king should not be under attack 3. The squares also should not be under attack 4. Then what is 5th? You have to move your king first 2 places, and then this, and then 6th rule is you have to use single hand only. So 6 rules, not 7 rules. Any questions here?
No, sir.
So if there are no questions, what we will do is we will have a small drill for castling. And while solving all those castling problems, perhaps this castling will be over full and final. You will never miss out. You will never miss out. Okay? So let's go ahead.
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Yes.
while castling, you have to use only your one hand. Means
Yes.
first pick up the king and put 2 boxes,
Yes.
and then the rook.
Correct.
No?
Correct. Absolutely correct. Now, one thing I have forgotten to tell you, that is, here there are 1, 1, 2, and 3 places, and here there are 2 places. So when king castles this side, this castling is called as long castle because the distance is more. It is long castle. And when king castles this side, short distance, it is called as short castle. You have to remember this terminology or these terms. You should remember what is short castle and what is long castle. Is it very clear? And in some places in India, still they say that the rule is either you have option of doing this or you have option of doing this way also. And some places say you have option of doing this also. But no, all these things are absolutely wrong. You cannot have this. You cannot castle this way. King will move to place only. No 3 place or no 5 place. And rook will come this side. Nothing else. Is it clear? Now, here in this question,
Can hide castle.
yes, Shubhankar. Shubhankar, you want to ask anything?
Yes, the sum which you gave.
Yeah, some we have to solve those sums. Yeah, let me finish this castling. Here, the question is, can white castle long or short or not at all? 3 options are there.
Sir, I didn't get the question.
Question is, can white castle do the castling? Can white castle means can white do the castling? And if yes, whether he can do long short castle or long castle or no castling at all, or both the castle, both the side. See, castling means doing this side or this side. So can white king do this side, or can white do this side, or it cannot do it? You have to tell, or you have to write the answer. You have to write the answer in your notebook. Soumya, you have to write the answer. Long short castle is possible, short castle is possible, both the castles are possible, or not at all. No castle is possible. No castling is possible. तीन मजबूत नाही तीन 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 तो दोनच घर पण त्या बाजूला पडू शकतो. Here the answer is not at all. King cannot do castling. Here queen is guarding this D1. That means king इस तरफ जा नहीं सकता है. And queen is guarding this G1 also. So both the sides, king cannot castle. So not at all. Castling is not at all possible. Now the question is, can black castle long or short or not at all? And the answer is here. See, because of this rook on D1, it is controlling D8 square. So that means king cannot move long side, but king can move short side. Though this rook, white rook on H1 is giving attack on black rook on H8, but that doesn't matter. कोई मायने नहीं रखता है अगर रुक के ऊपर अटैक होता है तो उसका कोई इंपॉर्टेंस ही नहीं है. Importance is only given to king and king only. So black can castle short. Can white castle long? Now the question is very specific. White का castling long castle हो सकता है क्या? And do not use your head movement, otherwise everybody else will understand the answer. Particularly Aryan. Now this bishop is controlling G1. That means king cannot castle short, but long castle it can go over here. Long castle. Okay. Now here during this drill, it is possible that some questions are very tricky and you have to watch or observe the board very carefully. I am telling you. Can black castle short? Only yes or no you have to write in your notebook. Can black castle short? Here it is clearly the knight is coming in the middle. So no empty squares. So black cannot castle short. Very easy. Can white castle short? Now look at the position very clearly. Here you will see queen is again guarding this G1. So you cannot do short castle. But here this side Long castle is also not possible. Rook is moved from the original place. If the rook is moved this side, castling is not at all allowed. The purview of castling this side is not there. Purview means your right is not there. You cannot castle this side. You can, the possibility of this side, but queen is there. If you stop queen coming over here, put somebody over here on this square, then afterwards you can castle. You can make a way for it. But this way, this side castling is gone. So no is the answer. Can black castle short? Only thing you have to write down yes or no. That's all. Yes, Shubhankar. Everybody has written, and I am sure your answer is wrong. Here, black cannot castle at all. Black cannot castle at all. See, here you will feel that squares are empty. Very good. These squares are empty. Nobody is attacking the king. Nobody is attacking the squares also. But still I am saying black cannot castle because king is moved. Can you see the king is on d8? That is not the original position of the king. King is on e8. Black king is on e8 always. White king is on e1. This line is for king. That if king is situated over here, that means king has moved. And if king moves, no castling at all. You must have missed this. So no is the answer. And that is why I always say, be careful. Can white castle short? Look at the position. Soumya, you take the, you choose very fast, but that should not be there. Take little time for deciding. Soumya Pradhan. Here, this bishop situated on a6 is controlling f1. So that means white cannot castle. Now rook is there. This rook is from a to here. So this side castling is not at all possible. But this side castling was possible. But due to this bishop, it is not possible. If you put somebody in the middle, then you can castle afterwards. So no is the answer. Can black castle short?
So black cannot castle short
Why?
because queen is there for the support.
Because queen is
There for the support to beat the black.
no, not correct. Correct answer is black can castle short. See here, queen is attacking on the rook. Queen is attacking on the rook. And queen is attacking on this square also, d8. So white king cannot go this way. Long castle is not allowed. But short castle, as I said, king is not under attack. King is not moved from the original place. Rook is not moved. Okay, so that both these squares, they are not under enemy control. So that means this can castle. रूक के ऊपर अटैक है तो कोई मायने नहीं रखता है. I have told you there is no problem at all if somebody is attacking the rook. It doesn't matter at all. So here the answer is yes. finish कर दो. Can black castle short? No, because now queen is guarding f8. So king cannot move this side, short side. You got it? So no is the answer. Can white castle long? Not at all. Direct attack is there on the king. And when king is under attack or check is there, you cannot castle. So there is no question of it. You will save the king with your bishop or with your knight, and next move you can castle whichever way you want. Can white castle long? I will take this position on demo board because this is something there is which I want to tell you. Yeah, this is somewhat position. Forget about the black. Now it is we are questioning about white. Now the question is, can white castle long? This is the long way and this is the short way. Okay. There is an attack on rook. But as I said, no matter that rook is under attack, you can castle. So white can castle long. Okay. But I have taken this position on the demo board because I want to ask something else. There is a possibility that you can castle this side also. Easy. Now, which side you will choose? This side or this side? That is the question. You write your answer in your notebook. You will do long or you will do short. You can do both the castling. But which one you will choose? You write in your notebook. You will choose long or you will choose short. If you have written the answer, the correct answer is you will choose long only and not short. Because see here you are losing your rook. Rook is under attack. So you keep your rook under attack and you do castling this side. That means next move gone. And what is our main principle in chess? You should not lose anything. You have to try to protect everything we have. Why to give a single pawn also? Okay. Now in this same question, I am repositioning this over here. Now, the question is, because this question was not taken in that problem sheet, whether you can castle long or short. You write the answer in your notebook. If you can do castling short or if long or both, or not both. So 4 options are there. Now the correct answer here is you can castle both the sides. Here, even if it is attack on this, as I told you, doesn't matter. So you can castle this side. Fine. There is no attack on the king, or there is no attack over here. There is no attack over here. So you can castle this side. And here also there is an attack on this square. But again, king is not moving through this square. So that means you can castle. No question. Here this square doesn't matter at all. Only the king's root, these 2 squares, and king himself, this square. These all 5 squares should not be under attack. Any one of these squares is under attack, you cannot castle. Very clear? If this is the position, then you cannot castle even this side or this side. So what you have to do, if this is here, what you have to do, you kill this first, and next move you at castle. Was it very clear? Any doubt for the castling? Yes, Vinit, thank you. Soumya says no doubt. Fantastic. Arit, you understood well?
Yes.
Yeah. No doubt. Yeah, no doubt. Parth, now any doubt? I told you, na, once you listen very carefully, everything will be taken care of. Yeah, Aradhya, I haven't seen. Athurva says okay. Neeraj and Tanvi, Vishwas. Okay, Tanvi and Neeraj, I couldn't see. Veer, I couldn't see. Your cameras are not working. At least you can show some. Yeah. Tanvi. Homework is not there as of now. I will think over it and I will give. And all the answers also I will send. Whatever problems I have already sent, I will give the answer sheet to you. You can check yourself whether your answers were right or wrong. Okay, all the answers I will send. Don't worry. Okay, then bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye, sir.
Yes, yes. And God bless you, all of you.